I am audible and this PDF is visible. So here, if you remember the yesterday class, we were discussing about this multi-step method, and in the multi-step method, we have discussed uh, this predictor method, and that one is actually our Adam Basford method. And in this, actually, our third and fourth order method generally we consider or remember, or when we have problems, we use the third order Adam Basford method, this one, and fourth order, this one. The change of energy up to two states. And then we discussed these two examples. Initial states and the final states. So then we have another method like character, and this one is like Adam Moulton method. So, like if you remember in Adam Basford method, we are considering only k points from xi to we are going from xi minus k minus 1, this point, like from xi to xik minus 1 we are going. So we are considering only k points when we are discussing this Adam Moulton method. Sorry, Adam Basford method. Now in Adam Moulton we have one more point. So now we have with us like a k points we are considering. And then we use the same procedure like to approximate the like f of xy inside the integral by this Newton backward interpolation formula. So since here we are having k plus 1 points, so it means we can fit a polynomial of degree k. So like this is the Newton backward interpolation formula. If s is x minus xi upon h, then we have this f of xi plus 1 plus s minus 1 backward of f of xi plus 1 s minus 1 into s upon 2 factorial like this. And here we are considering up to uh, kth order forward, kth order backward differences, as we have a polynomial of degree k. So up to this order it is constant or exist, or and the higher order for backward differences of this f is 0. So now we substitute this in the this like integral equation equivalent to our differential equation, this one. So we substitute the value approximated polynomial equivalent to this fxy in this equation 4.69. If we substitute this, we will get wait a minute. So I think I am again audible. So we substitute this 4.79 equivalent of the this f of xy in the equation integral equivalent to our initial value problem, where we will get this one yi plus h. Here we have their xi to xi plus 1. So xi, when you substitute as equal to xi here, you will get s equals to 0. And when you substitute x equal to xi plus 1, then your s equal to 1. So this is the lower and upper limit of the integration. And then you have substituted this f of xy value, and then you integrate it like term by term, and after integration you will get the integration of this term is minus 1 by 2, integration of this is minus 1 by 6, similarly integration of this is minus 1 by 4. So after substituting all these integrations values, we will have this. So this is like a Adam Moulton methods. So choosing different values of k, we will get different methods here. So here like we are taking k points. So you have to understand like so if we take k equal to 0, so we'll get this as a method. As k equal to 0, our we are taking only 1 point. So so it's like a constant. So it's first order or a higher order, first and higher order. These are 0. So we'll have this one. Then if we take k equal to 1, then means we are considering 2 points. Then first backward of fi will exist, and higher backward of f of xi plus 1 are 0. So all these are 0 here. From here, all these 0. So we'll have this. And then we open the definition of backward of f of xi plus 1, which is this one. And then we have this method. Then we take k equal to 2. If we take k equal to 2, we will get this. And this is like we open the first backward and second backward of f of xi plus 1. We will get these two. And after simplification, we have this. So now this method is like important to us. K equals to 3. For k equals to 3, we consider like up to third order backward of f of xi plus 1, and higher order backward of f of xi plus 1 we consider 0. We will get this one. And if we substitute the values of first backward, second backward, and third backward of f of xi plus 1, and after simplification we will get this. And this is our like fourth order Adam Moulton method. So this method actually is useful for us, and like in most of the problem we use this method. Yi plus 1 is equals to yi plus h by 24, 9 f of xi plus 1, 19 plus 19 of f of xi, and this f of 5 f of I minus 1, and plus f of I minus 2. So this is, we will remember, Adam Moulton method of fourth order. So like when there is a problem, like you solve using predictor and corrector method, and if they are telling that use Adam Basford Moulton predictor corrector method to solve the initial value problem, so then you use fourth order Adam Basford method as a corrector, and fourth order Adam Moulton method, this one as a as a Adam Basford as a corrector, and Adam Moulton as Adam Basford as a predictor, and Adam Moulton as a corrector. So this is like our corrector method, and from Adam Basford we will predict the value. And this is a fourth order Adam Moulton method. Then we have another kind of predictor corrector method is like Milne-Simpson's methods. So in Milne-Simpson method, we earlier, if you remember, we are integrating this differential equation within the domain xi2 xi plus 1, but here we will integrate within the domain xi minus 1 to xi plus 1. So if we will integrate, we will have this one. So again here we have to write the approximate polynomial equivalent to this f of xy. So again we use our Newton backward interpolation formula. And here again we are considering all the points like what we have considered here. These all these points from xi plus 1 fxi, xi fi, xi minus 1 fi, all these points are we are considering. So if we are considering all these points, we will have this, and then we follow the same procedure that we have followed for Adam Moulton, and then we will get these kind of expressions. Here again we are considering on the backward of kth order of f of xi plus 1 comma yi plus 1. So then actually this one is wrong here because it is minus 1 to 1, as you, because here it is like xi minus 1 and your s is like x minus xi upon h. So when you substitute x equal to xi minus 1, you will get integration from minus 1 to 1. So this is like your yi plus 1. So in this method, again we have to integrate this. From now, earlier we are integrating from 0 to 1, now we are integrating within minus 1 to 1. So we'll substitute all these values like minus 1 to 1 s minus 1 ds, which is minus 2. Again, minus 1 to 1 s minus 1 s ds. If you simplify it, you will get 2 by 3. And minus 1 to 1 s minus 1 s plus 1 this. If you integrate, we will get 0. So we'll evaluate all these integrations and substitute all these values in here in this. So if we substitute all these integral values, we have this as a Milne's method. So like for k equal to 2, we will get this method. And this is like for k equal to 2, he is important to us. Like when we are solving that, someone says to use Milne-Simpson method as a character, then you have to use this fourth order Milne-Simpson method to correct the values. So now we will talk this about this predictor character method. So even though we have already discussed here what we do in predictor and what we do in character, but these kind of notation is required. Like when we are using predictor method, we apply the superscript p to represent that this one is a predicted value, and this will represent as a corrected value. So this value we will calculate using character method, and this value will calculate using predictor method. So like in this method, like this is Euler method is used to obtain the value of y at the point xi xn plus 1. So this value we say it is a predicted value. Then another method is used like backward Euler method, and in this method they are using they are instead of using yn, they are using yn plus 1 predicted value to correct the value of yn plus 1. So here xn is replaced by xn plus 1 and yn is replaced by yn plus 1 predicted value.
Let's discuss in next. So this is the all things are discussed like this.
So like actually in general we have problems like this: Adam Beresford Moulton predictor character method, this one, and the second one is Simpson method,
What happened?
Milne-Simpson method. So here again like so Adam Beresford Moulton predictor character method for fourth order, like this is actually already discussed with you. Like this is Adam Beresford method of fourth order,
Should we collect?
and this method we use as a predictor.
No.
And then because f of xi here is required, so in f of xi we use this f of xi is replaced by this Adam Moulton character method. So here other things are remaining like I f of xi f of yi, but here like if you see the formula,
we collect this any scatter
where
light.
is this?
So scatter light is maybe 45 degree or 90 degree.
Here.
Form.
So this is our like
there is no
Adam
Wilson lens is there.
Moulton character formula. So this is our Adam Moulton character formula. And here you require value to calculate the value at I plus 1, you require f of I plus 1. And this f of I plus 1 means that you require f of xi plus 1 and y of I plus 1. But yi plus 1 you don't have. So
Finally, there is a
to use this character method, we actually required one predictor method. Otherwise, from here we will substitute this value of yi plus 1 in the function f. So here we will calculate the use the character value. So whatever the character value, sorry, we'll use the predictor value. We will get whatever the value we obtained from Adam Basford predictor method for yi plus 1. We say that it's predictor value, and we substitute this predictor value here in f of xi plus 1, and then we will get the character value of y of I plus 1. Other things are remain the same, like f of xi yi, f of xi minus 1 yi minus 1, f of I xi minus 2 yi minus 2.
the vibrational thing. G0 V HC bar.
So here you can see this is our Adam Basforth fourth order method, and we are getting the value of yi plus 1. So whatever value of y at xi plus 1 we are getting, we are saying that it is a predicting value. And now we are correcting this predicted value by using Adam Moulton method. But in Adam Moulton method, we require the function value at xi plus 1 and yi plus 1. So yi plus 1 value we will take from this predictor, and then we will get the character value.
How the electrons populated
So sometimes like if someone says like Adam Basforth predictor character method, it means you have to use this one. Adam Basforth as a predictor, Adam Moulton as a character. If it is not written in this way, and but they are saying Adam Basforth predictor character you have to use. So you have to use this method. Then we have Milne's predictor character method. So in Milne predictor character method, we again use our
symmetric molecules, asymmetric molecules,
Adam Basforth fourth order method
OH. So it is asymmetric
as a predictor, and the character like a Milne Simpson character method.
So that's why.
So this actually we also have these formulas. So we'll see one example related to them.
It only allowed the Raman condition that I have already told you that.
Okay, this is the problem we have with us. So in this problem, we have to use Adam Basforth predictor character equation or method, and to evaluate the value of y at 1.4 if y satisfies this one. So it is actually, so from here first you identify what is your like
how HCl.
what is your
HCl.
so from here you can see that your dy by dx equals to 1 upon x square minus y upon x, and then you assume it is f of x comma y, and then you have to identify what is your this one is actually our
and then this is the
y naught, you can say this one is our y1, this one is our y2, and this one is our y3, and then we have to calculate y4. So like in this method they have provided the value of y 1.1, y 1.2, and y 1.3 also. But like you know earlier, when we have applied this mm, Adam Basford method, sometimes these values y1, y2, and y3 is not provided to us. So either we have to use Euler's method or Runge-Kutta method or Taylor series method to get first these three values y1.1, y1.2, and y1.3, that is y1, y2, y3. And then we have to calculate this y4. Y4 is y at 1.4. So for here, the formula for Adam Basford predictor is this one, and Adam Moulton corrector is this one. So the combination requires the starting values these. So here, like if because if I substitute like if I say that x naught is 1, x1 is 1.1, x2 is 1.2, and x3 is 1.3. It is given here. And so in this method, like because I want the this is also given like their corresponding their corresponding y1 is given here, that is y of 1, it is given y2, y of sorry, this is n naught, and this is 1, y of 1.1, then y2 is equals to y of 1.2, and y3 equals to y of 1.3 is given. So, and we have to calculate y4, that is y of 1.4. So, obviously you can see here h is 0.1, the common difference between xi's at h is 0.1. So like if in this formula, when we are using predictor, if in this formula, if I substitute like I equal to 3, if I substitute I equal to 3, I will get y4. And if I y4 like this, so y4 predictor is this one, y3, because you have substituted like here I equal to 3. So you have like f3, f2, f1, f naught, and what is f3? F3 is like f of x3, y3. Similarly, f2 is your f of x2, y2, and y3 you have it is given to you already in the problem. X3 is also given to you. F1 similarly like f of x1, y1. So you first you require these f naught. So you have calculated like f naught, x naught, y naught. X naught is 1, y naught is 1, and then you substitute in this definition. So if x naught is 1 and y naught is 1, so it is like 1 upon x naught square minus 1 upon, so finally it is 0. So 1 minus 1, finally it is 0. Then you will calculate f1, it is x1, y1, x1 is 1.1, and this is y1 is 0.0996. So if you substitute in this definition, you will have like 1 upon 1.1 square minus 0.996 upon 1.1, and after simplification you will get this value. So you will get this value because it is x and it is y, and you have to substitute in this definition of f of xy. F of xy has 1 upon x square minus y upon x. So here y is 0.996 and x is 1.1. So this is your f1. Similarly, you can have f2, f3 also. Now you get the value of y4. So y4 is 0.97, this actually given. So you substitute this one here, H is also given, and then all these values given. So this is the predicted value of y4 is with you. Now you correct this value. So to correct this value, you use your corrector formula. The corrector formula is this one. This one is actually Adam Moulton formula. Again, in this uh, Adam Moulton formula, you again substitute I equal to 3. So if you substitute I equal to 3, you will have this y4 character equals to y3 plus h upon 24 9f of here actually f4 is there, but f4 is in the form like f of x4 and y4 with character value. So f3, f2, f1 we have already calculated, but this value we have to calculate. What is the value of f4 y4 character? So this is the value. This is the corrected value, y4 corrected value we have obtained here, and this value substitute here. So you will get this is the value of f of x4 y4 character, sorry, predictor.
The bond is changing, just stretching to
Just
one
predictor.
direction. Then bending is
So
also
y4 x4 predictor value we have substituted here, and then
similarly
in the formula of Adam Moulton, and we have this. So if we are using one iteration of Adam Basforth Moulton predictor character method, this is the first value of y4. Then we again correct it using the corrector method. So this is y41. Then we will calculate y42. Like we are secondly correcting this. So now this y41 become the like y4 predicted value here, and we'll substitute this value here, and we will get this value is actually we have substituted here, and this is the next corrected value of this, and then we again apply or until we apply like if two consecutive values of y having like desired accuracy, like here 5 decimal places accuracy if desired in the problem. So we'll continue this correction process, and if this our like desired condition of like this is our required like 5 decimal places are of accuracy is required or stated in the problem, then you stop here, otherwise you continue. And if you remember like Euler's and Euler's modified method, there also we are doing the same thing. First we are predicting the value from Euler's method, and then we are correcting the value by Euler's modified method up to like desired accuracy. Like if 2 decimal is required, then we'll stop at 2 decimal accuracy achieved. Otherwise, we will continue. So this is our like application of Adam Basforth predictor character method. Then we have this another problem. Here we have to use this Milne's predictor method. So we'll discuss this in the next class, and and I will check what are the topics like remaining in your syllabus, and then I will continue from the next class. Like when we plan to have this your class test too. Like when we can have class test too.
Sir, after syllabus complete, then take one.
Actually, syllabus is almost. I think I have to check. Maybe 1, 2, 3 result is remaining.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
After
after
that,
that. Huh?
after that, sir, after test we can revise if time left.
Okay, okay.
ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल होता है ऑक्सीजन इधर है
Okay, then we'll meet again tomorrow on Monday. Okay,
3 into number of
and
atoms.
attendance like okay, we'll take
3 into 3 and 9
1
minus 6. So it will be 3.
Urgent, sir.
and one more thing.